In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom message to your Shopify theme using code. This process can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll go through it together, step by step, to ensure your online store has that personalized touch you've been looking for. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to head over to the Online Store section, which is usually located in the sidebar on the left. This is where you can manage the themes and overall appearance of your store. Now, within the Online Store section, you'll see your current theme displayed. Look for 3 little dots next to the Customize button. This is your gateway to the more advanced settings. Click on these 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Edit Code. This will open up the backend code editor for your theme. It may look a bit complex, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through. In this code editor, there's a search bar located at the top. Go ahead and type theme.liquid into this search bar. Once you find the theme.liquid file, click on it to open it up in the editor. This file controls many of the structural elements of your theme, so it's essential to be careful with changes here. Next, we'll employ a handy search function to efficiently locate the exact spot where we need to insert our custom message. Press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to bring up the search function, then type /head into the search field. This will take you to the closing head tag in your HTML code, which is where we're going to paste in our new code snippet. I've provided a link to this code in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Copy that snippet and return to your theme.liquid file. Just before the closing head tag, paste the code you copied. You might notice a line in the snippet that says, "Content, hit that like button." This is an opportunity to personalize the message. Feel free to change it to any call to action or message you want your customers to see. Once done, save your changes. This step is crucial. Without saving, your newly added customization won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom message to your Shopify store theme. Not only does this help reinforce your brand message, but it can also engage your customers in a unique way every time they visit your site. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Happy coding, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.